Good morning and welcome. My name is Amanda McFadden. I will be talking about Chapter 6 in our Persuasion book, Scarcity, the Rule of Few. Why less means more. What is scarcity? Scarcity is a principle that basically means that when somebody believes something to be more valuable, when there's less of it available. So if there's something that's low quantity on a shelf, more people are prone to buy that one thing that's less available. What G.K. Chesterton has said is that the way to love something is to realize that it might be lost. So how does scarcity persuade us? Well, scarcity can persuade us by having a limited availability could increase the perceived value of said item. For example, for what I just gave the example of, when you're in a store and there's less of something other than the other over another thing, that thing that has less availability is going to be perceived as having more of a valuable asset to it. It can often trigger action and urgency to buy, and it can create an impulse of sorts for a person to purchase. It's often linked to aversion, which is basically the dislike of something. So you could dislike something. What is the psychological power behind it? Well, scarcity can create FOMO. What is FOMO? FOMO is the fear of missing out. Personally, I have a fear of missing out. I know a lot of people do. People are more motivated by loss than they are motivated by gain. And it can bypass slow thinking, which will activate some people's emotions. Less is best and loss is worst. So there are three different types of scarcity: limited quantity, limited time, and exclusive access. Limited quantity is basically there's only a few left. There's only 2 seats at the concert left. Limited time. The offer ends at midnight. Exclusive access. Not everyone will get it. Members only. If you've ever been to a Sam's Club or Costco, those are exclusive access only. You have to have a membership to be able to buy from them. Some real-world examples of scarcity is when you're on Amazon and there's only 4 left in stock, or you going to a concert and there's only a few seats left, or you're at Walmart and it's a first come first serve until it's gone. Below you'll see I have an ad that's a real ad from a while ago. For the month of April only, there was a free sandwich at Subway until 9 a.m. Scarcity plus social proof. Scarcity is more powerful when it is combined with social proof. When you're on a clothing store, like any clothing store, and you're going to buy a shirt or a dress or a pair of pants, and you notice that there's only a few items left in stock, but there's many people viewing that said item, that's going to encourage you to want to buy that item. So these actually can drive people to make these impulsive decisions. Psychological reactance. When people feel that their freedom to make the decisions are being restricted, they may resist. These situations could hurt the trust that customers have for a brand. When you go to a store and you see sold out signs, but you're constantly seeing sold out signs. Like every other day, they're always going to be sold out of something. You're going to lose trust, and you're going to lose trust in that company or in that brand. So what are our key takeaways from this? Well, scarcity affects nearly all decisions. The fewer there are, the more people want it. This is the rule of few. Awareness of the defense tactics can help a person make better choices. Scarcity can create both progress and pressure. Thank you for listening, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.